If you have an existing image and you want to edit it, you can easily achieve this with Midjourney AI. All you have to do is use your picture as a reference image and add what you want to see in the prompt. This whole process is very easy to learn and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Here is how you can start using existing images in Midjourney in a few easy steps. The first thing you need to do is go to one of the channels for image generation in the Midjourney public Discord server. For this video, we'll be using our own private Discord server. Once you are in the server, go ahead and press the plus icon, then click on the Upload File button. Select the image you want to edit from your device and click Enter. You should only select one image at a time. Once the photo is uploaded, click on the image, then right-click and a menu will pop up. Click on the Copy Image Address button. Next, you should go to the text box and type /Imagine and press Enter. Then paste the link to the image and write your prompt. Press Enter when you are done. Your image will be edited and recreated as you want with 4 different options. Select the one you like by pressing the corresponding upscale button. The single image option will be created. Click on the image, then right-click and select Save Image to download the result. One thing you should keep in mind is that you can also use the --IW image parameter to determine how much you want the original picture to influence the results. The --IW image parameter ranges from 0.1 to 2. The lower the number, the more your generated images will be different from the original. If you are not sure about the format of your prompts when you are using an existing image, here is how it should look like. /Imagine prompt, image link, prompt --parameters. Let me show you a more detailed example. To recreate this image, I decided that I wanted to add a black cat and change the image style. The simple prompt is, a fluffy white dog, sitting in the park, black cat, Lofi anime style, --IW.5. And here is the result. As you can see, I was able to successfully change the style and add another character in the picture. I hope the description and image examples I have shared helps you to create and reimagine any photo you want. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Until next time, bye.